it, folks. If you want to know what 550 miles an hour looks like, this is it. Big 6G pole. Now, JR does wear a G suit, and you can see why, because the G's on him a very long time as he's going to get skyward over a mile in the sky. That's 5,280 feet. Comes over the top. The G's still on it, so that G suit's working hard. As he begins his Cuban 8 maneuver. Now you can see it's very hard to see the aircraft. That's by design. But he'll come back into focus here directly. Just as disturbing because the G's on it for a very long time. You can see it very high in the sky there. A number of miles in the sky as he comes back on the second half of the Cuban 8.
Where is it? Can't see it.
Esos sí son los que van a la guerra, ¿no?
Esos ya no, estos ya.
There he comes screaming down. There you can see
Ya tienen, sí, ya tienen nuevos.
Now we're back to the floor. He's going to give it all he's got for a repositioning Cuban 8 maneuver. Watch out, he turns. Slightly to the